Hey, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, man. It's Young Entertainment, man. We out here in Pattaya, Thailand, and we about to go do a room tour. We at the Hard Rock Hotel, and I'm finna go see how these rooms look real quick. Bear with me. Small closet, barely can fit my stuff in there, but hey, gotta make do. We have a shower. Toilet area. Clean your backside. Clean your backside. Got a little sink area. I'm gonna give you a 360 of the room. Sing by Carlos Santana. My screen TV. Refrigerator. Radio speakers going. And of course, you know how to check out the views. On the balcony, y'all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe and comment if you will. And I appreciate you guys. Until next video, peace.